So here in India, it's very common for fruit and vegetable vendors and what have you to show up at your front door. And right here is Ramesh. Ramesh, Nana, Sasrikal. And look at Ramesh's cart here. He comes with all kinds of fresh vegetables, from radish, which is mooli, pindi, this is ladies' fingers, cucumbers. Oh, look at all that. Fruits as well. You've got fresh apples, which probably come from Shimla, which is a place close by. All these, look at these delicious stuff. And this is Mum's house. And this is where Ramesh comes every day. And Mum buys for him. And here's the weighing machine. So they put the produce in here. And then they weigh it with that. And depending on what the weight is, that's how you figure out the price. Thank you. Thank you. This is the neighborhood where my mom lives. Take a look at some of these houses. Pretty nice, huh? Look at this one. It's very much like Brazil because it's tropical. Oh, we've got this in our house in Brazil. In fact, Elci just sent me a video of that not too long ago. This here is the cheapest car in the world. It's made by an Indian company called Tata, called the Nano. You can buy it for a couple of $1,000. Because tomorrow is Diwali, so these are all the sweets that people are selling for Diwali. Look at all this stuff. And there's Shivji's Bandha right over there. Murke aake. Oh my God. Board bhi le lene. So I'm looking for the Wi-Fi guy who's gonna hook me up with Wi-Fi at my mom's house. She doesn't have Wi-Fi. And he's here somewhere. I think I saw him earlier with a blue sweater. I think you see it up there somewhere. Let's go see. See, in every Indian establishment, well, not every, you're going to find little things like these where they say prayers on a daily basis before they open the shop. And you've got different aspects of prayers, different people that they pray to for, you know, prosperity and guidance and things like that. India. That's what I love about India. You got a multitude of things happening here, you know? There's people coexisting. It's just amazing. Everybody gets along with everybody. Different languages, different foods, different cultures, all that. Different religions. ਇੱਥੇ ਆਓ ਇੱਥੇ ਆਓ ਇੱਥੇ ਆਓ ਹੈ ਕੀ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਬੈਗ 'ਚ ਬੈਗ ਤੇ ਸਾਡੇ 'ਚ ਛੋਟਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਜਾਣ ਵਾਲਾ ਕੁਝ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੱਢਦਾ ਦੇਖੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੁਝ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੱਢਦਾ ਮੈਂ ਵੀ ਬਾਹਰ ਔਖਾ ਹੀ ਹਾਂ
again.
कुछ नहीं मामा, take it easy. Take अंदर नहीं आना, तुझे फिक्र ना करो.
He will leave the snake in our house.
That's not true.
Huh?
Just keep the door closed, it's fine.
Door close के gate. I think will be outside.
Horse नहीं कहता.
Oh.
That's a cat.
मछलियाँ ममार.
Oh, bale bale. ये था, मामा this is harmless. अच्छा ठीक है, ये था कुछ भी नहीं.
अरे ये क्या कर रहे हो?
कुछ नहीं मामा, तुझे आराम करो, don't worry. बस आई सी का कोई गल नहीं. See, this is India for you. You've got all kinds of people walking by the house, and I just showed you a snake charmer who's actually making his living. That's what he does. He catches snakes and he puts on a little show. And I gave him 50 rupees, which is like 75 US cents. Less than $1.
She's just like an angel. She's like an angel. And that's the housemaid. She's been cooking up a storm right here. This is onions, right? ये प्याज बने हुए हैं ना? और उसमें क्या लगा हुआ? दिखाएंगे जरा? Oh, गोभी बन रही. This is cauliflower, guys. She's making cauliflower. Look how cool that looks. Woo! Wee! Hello, Mom.
Hello.
I'm so happy to see you after 4.5 years.
Yes,
Mama.
me too.
Huh?
Me too.
You look so well.
I look well.
You look well.
Good, thank you.
So today is Diwali. Diwali is like it's the biggest festival in India. Yeah, I've been out of India for 40 some years, 42 years. So you can tell how much of an Indian I am. So forget about what I said. No, I won't do it. But yeah, so today's Diwali. It's going to be, I cannot wait to go out this evening and hang out with family and look at all the lights and the festivities and the firecrackers. They just go wild celebrating today. So I'm looking forward to it. And then of course there's a lot of drinking, there's a lot of gambling, there's a lot of all kinds of stuff, right? That's right? Are you going to be drinking today, Rama?
No. Just go away, please. Let me take tea.
Are you going to be doing some gambling? I love messing with my mom. I just adore this woman. You know? The fact that I live so far away, it's a shame, but comes some more sugar.
मैं चाप पी लेने राम देखा मेरी शुगर में नजर लग गिर गई
गिर गई? Oh my God.
और दस
Never so very nice.
दिल लगा दी मैं चाप ली
Okay, fine. I will not bother you anymore by filming you. So I love my mother. I haven't seen her for some time. I'm here primarily to spend time with her, quality time, make memories like these that will last forever, that I can watch whenever I miss her, right? And not just me, other relatives. Thank you.
Bad boy! Oh, look at that! This bad boy in Patiala! Woo-wee! There's Mom's house right here, and this is